There are basically two ways to import SEQTRAK projects into the SEQTRAK app. You can simply drag a project file to one of the SEQTRAK project slots to import it immediately. It also appears automatically under backup projects. To delete a project, simply choose Delete and confirm. You can export a project from the app. Under Backup Projects, right-click your project and select Export. You can also import a project directly from the SEQTRAK app. To do this, you need at least one project under Backup Projects. Right-click an existing project again and select Import, then select your desired project. After importing, you can drag your project again to one of the project slots to install it on your SEQTRAK.